My name is Shelby Burkholder, and I'm the contract manager and a realtor on the Heather Neidlinger Olivia Henneman real estate team. Today, I wanted to give you a little inside look on my life and the things that I enjoy doing. Something that I'm super passionate about is reading. I love books in all genres. So today, I brought you to the library, one of my favorite places to hang out and borrow books. One of my favorite books right now is called The Four Winds by Kristen Hanna. I like all genres: romance, murder mystery, sometimes even a good historical romance. I like reading because it gives me a place to go at the end of a really hard day. There's nothing like kicking your feet back at the end of a really rough business day and just reading a good book with a good cup of coffee. One of my favorite places to get a good cup of coffee right here in Carlisle is Denham. Not only is it a great place to come and get a cup of coffee, but I also really enjoy coming here to sit down and read my Bible. Real estate became a passion of mine about a year ago when I had a dream that my husband and I were selling real estate together. And one morning I decided just to make the switch because I knew it would be better for myself and for my family. I love real estate because I have a passion for helping people, and what a better way to do that than help them find their forever home and be that guiding step through the whole process and the shoulder that they can lean on. I'm Shelby Burkholder with the Heather Neidlinger Olivia Henneman real estate team. Thanks for joining me today and getting to know a little bit more about me. If you're looking to buy or sell a house, I would love to help you out. Please feel free to reach out to me. I'll link my contact information below.